Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting your PS5 ready to stream now. Sign into PlayStation Network, then link Twitch under Users and Accounts. This lets the console authorize broadcasts. Once linked, enable two-step verification for safer streams and connect the PS5 HD camera and headset. Make sure controller mic settings send chat audio to the headset. This early setup avoids interruptions during the stream, so do it before launching any game or opening the Create menu to begin broadcasting. Once your gear is connected, launch the game and press the Create button to start configuring the broadcast. Choose Twitch, then authorize the stream if prompted. Now adjust video settings. Select resolution and bitrate based on your upload speed, position the camera, and toggle mic and party audio so viewers hear both game and commentary. Next, enter a clear stream title and appropriate category, enable chat overlay if you want messages on screen, and decide whether to save local recordings for highlights afterward. Press Start Broadcast to go live and immediately monitor chat and stream health. Use a second device to view your stream from a viewer perspective. This confirms audio and video sync. If you see lag or dropped frames, lower bitrate or resolution and close background apps that use bandwidth. Run a speed test 3 times to confirm upload stability, and if audio is missing, check mic mute, input selection, and party chat routing in sound settings. These checks resolve most common streaming problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.